Grade 3, Module 1, Lesson 2. The standard for this lesson is 3, Operation and Algebraic Thinking 1, where we're going to interpret products of whole numbers, e.g., that is, for example, interpret 5 times 7 as a total number of objects in 5 groups of 7 objects each. For example, describe a context in which a total number of objects can be expressed as 5 times 7, a multiplication problem. Let's take a look. Our objective is to relate multiplication to the array model. Our first problem is, how many rows of apps are there? So let's take a look. We have row 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 rows. And how many apps are in each row? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4 apps in each row. So now we can write a multiplication expression to describe the array. So if there are 4 rows, which are 4 groups of, and there's 4 in each row, we have a total of 16. Let's try another one. In this case, we have candies. And the questions are, there are how many rows of candy? Well, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 rows. And how many candies are in each row? Well, just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. Now we can write a multiplication equation to describe the array. We have 3 rows, or 3 groups of, times 6 in each row, for a total of 18. Let's take a look at this problem. Casey collects small action figures. He arranges them in 6 rows of 4 in each row. Draw the array and write a multiplication equation to describe the array. So go ahead and pause the video and show your work. Alright, how'd you do? Let's take a look at the problem again. Casey collects small action figures. He arranges them in 6 rows of 4 in each row. First, to draw the array. So we need to get 6 rows. So we need row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and we'll throw row 6 over here as well. Go back and take a look at the problem, and there's supposed to be 4 in each row. So we'll take a look at it again. We'll add just little circles. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's our array. And then the next part is to write a multiplication equation to describe the array. Well, as we pointed out, we have 6 rows and 6 groups, so there's 4 in each group. For a total, if you count it up, you have 24. How did you do? Did you get that right? Good. Now try some on your own. Good luck.